Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Healthy Desi Cooking. In today's video, we are going to share the recipe of jalebies. But before that, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and let's get started. So in this recipe, we are going to use 1 cup maida, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, half tablespoon of yeast, 1 to 2 pinches of orange food color. Then we are going to take a bowl in which we are going to add the ingredients. We have added maida and then the yeast. Then we are going to mix it and then we are going to add the yogurt and some water and gonna mix it well, making sure that there are no lumps in it. And then made a paste of such consistency. And then we're going to prepare the sugar syrup for the jalebis. For that, we're going to take a wok and added some water in it and added some sugar in it, and then we're going to heat it on the stove until it thickens up. And during that, we took another wok and added some oil in it and gonna let it heat. And now the sugar syrup is prepared and it looks like this, and it must be of this consistency. Like, it should not be too much thin or too much thick. So we have converted the heated oil into a frying pan because we've needed a much bigger space to make the jalebis. And now for the best part, we took a lid or a ketchup bottle. We're gonna take a ketchup bottle to make the jalebis. If you do not have such bottle, you can use any kind of lid or bottle which has a nozzle like this. And we're gonna just make the jalebis in the coil form in the heated oil and gonna wait for it until it turns to light golden color. Once we've fried the jalebis, then we're gonna transfer them into the sugar syrup. And then yeah, we're almost done with it. And then we're going to dish out and gonna show them to you. So here's our today's recipe. Hope you liked it. If you enjoyed it, drop a like, subscribe to our channel and share the video. So meet you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.